Hello, good evening. Magandang gabi. It's already 5:57. So, hindi pa masyadong gabi pero gabi na. Pagabi na. Nandito kami sa Casadora, Gumala.
Ratatouille.
Hi!
She's
So-
just a nanny. She has no money.
Yeah, I don't have money. That's
Yeah,
why
donate to her. Donate. Donate. Donate.
Ay,
Donate
nako.
50.
What 50?
Donate 50 dirham.
No, it's not.
Yeah, donate 50 dirham. Ratatouille.
So, I'm here at Casadora in...
No, not Casadora. Don't say their location. They will hunt you down.
No.
You don't give them their address. I bet one of you are hackers.
No,
Will hack your... Yes, they are
No, it's not.
hackers. They will hack the location.
no, they
Yes,
not.
they will. Except they will hack location.
I still have many Casadora. So, andito kami
Where's
sa
Haya?
park. Haya is in the house of Kira. So,
So poo-poo is poo-poo.
what pupo. So, same rotation, same daily routine. Ano,
Ring-a-ring-a-ring, ranga-ranga-rangla, random language.
na, andito kami sa park. Kasi gusto niya makipag...
Wait, I want to see my mouse.
Uy!
I want to see the inside
Not
of my
good.
mouse. I want to see the...
They went upstairs, but they didn't want to make it
What?
look like we had a robbery.
So, yung alaga ko, nag-away sila ng friend nila. Kasi pumunta doon sa bahay.
Okay, should I go back? Okay, Jane, I'm gonna go back again. I will ding
Why?
dong. I don't know.
Because they're not there.
Oh, you have money.
Bribe.
Actually, don't
Give
show
me.
them how much it is.
100 dirham, I know.
Wow, you tell them. My salary every week.
Salary
Because I'm a good boy.
Jane,
Really?
I will go. Okay.
Who
I
give
will
that
go.
one? Your dad or your
Jane,
Yes,
I
my
will
dad
go.
gives me
Okay.
Wow, good
Jane, you
boy.
stay here. I will go. Okay.
Let's
Okay,
buy
I will stay here.
some lemons. for the
Lemon?
Community.
Okay, we make lemon.
Community market.
But Kira is not going in the house.
I don't care about
Because,
Kira.
Julia
Leave
is
it
in-
alone.
You know, Julia is in
I don't care about Kira. Tell her to come. I won't even buy lemons. If Julia comes, then I'm telling her, no, you cannot come. By the way, Julia is the most spoiled brat in the world.
No, it's
If
not.
Julia, you see this, go to... I can't say it because like police are gonna find it.
Who? Let's say Bando is so Julia, okay?
I know you know what I'm gonna say, right?
You can be friends with Julia.
Julia, she's the most spoiled brat ever. If you know that girl that
Where Haya?
has booba
Where
every
Haya go?
time, yeah, that's her. That's POV her every day. Yeah. And she shoots so loud. When she eats food, she's like, oh my god, there's a stray cat, guys. Let's run.
Oh, there's a cat there. Stray cat? No, it's not.
Oh,
Diya batag.
yes, it's tag.
So, andito kami nakaupo sa tabi ng kalsada.
Sandy. This is the cat right there, one.
Huh?
That's cat right there.
Cat, yeah.
That one.
No,
the,
I
the
don't
audio
record the
one, the
cat.
one that looks black and white one.
I don't record the cat.
It's here, yeah. It's here.
Yeah. I
You
know.
cannot see it behind the cat there.
Yeah, I know.
Why you post on YouTube? You do a channel?
Yeah,
What's
I
your channel name?
know. Jane in Dubai.
Jane in Dubai. What?
Yes.
You just leaked your location. You know you said, oh, Casa Viva, Casadora, Casa Villa, whatever. And our community's name.
They don't know what
and you
the
said
what
Dubai.
that place. Yes, in Dubai, but there's so many Casadora, Casabiba. You know, there's so many community Casadora, Casabiba.
I know, but you literally said the name of the community. Jane, if you leak our location, then I'm gonna jump on you.
Jump. Why you jump on me?
By the way, look, I do soccer, football. Whoever messes with me, I'm gonna kick them in the face.
Oh,
Like I'm gonna shoot the ball to space.
oh. Tomorrow you have a
Look at my outfit, guys.
wow, nice outfit.
Wow.
You know.
Wow. Wow. So nice. Oh my god, look at the plaster. Well, I fell down while doing football.
Doing football? No.
Oh, no, not
You're riding a bike.
I riding bicycle. Dun, 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 dun,
Haya
dun.
is coming.
Ra-
Haya is coming.
Oh yeah. What is that? What is it?
So, hindi ako makapag-explain ng maayos. Ang gulo. Ang gulo ng alaga ko. Kasi may Arabic teacher silang, may Arabic class na sila ngayon. Kaso lang, gusto nilang mag-escape. Ayaw pumayag ng mama at saka daddy nila. Mami at daddy. Gusto nilang lumabas. Kami lang naiwan sa bahay. Nag-chat ako sa amo ko na gusto nilang umalis. Gusto nilang mag-escape ng Arabic. Gusto nilang pumunta sa friend nila. So, tumawag yung nanay. Sabi niya, okay, i-skip na lang. Nandito kami, tapos pagdating namin si Kira, wala pa yung friend nila. So, andito na naman kami sa kabilang bahay. Kasi yung alaga ko, at saka yung friend niya, andito sa bahay nila. Pagkatapos, sinundan ng alaga kong lalaki. Maano siya, may love quarrel silang dalawa. Tapos ikaw, nasali ka na sa kahit saan sila pupunta, susundan mo talaga. Ano ba yan? Oh, madilim na. Andito pa kami sa kabilang bahay. Gusto niya laro kay Kira. Gusto niya si Kira, pero si Julia ayaw niya. Kasi naiinis siya. Naku, mga bata talaga. Hindi ko alam kung may gusto siya kaya sa friend niya. Hindi ko alam. I'm filming.
Hello.
Oh, someone's calling you. So, madilim na sa labas at yeah, my plaster is already finished. That's for only. But in the house, no plaster. Ay, ito talaga yung buhay natin, guys. Ano, you know.
You do it like this. I just arrived.
Kahit pagod, marami tayong trabaho sa bahay, pero sinasamahan pa natin yung mga alaga nito sa labas. Oh, time is it is 6:19 p.m. Yes.
Okay, screw you guys. I'm gonna go to Sebastian so I can play with him.
Sebastian,
I'm gonna say it.
what? May love quarrel sila. Tingnan mo. Ay, naku, Diyos ko. Haya, go down. Kira, you go down.
What?
Go down.
Why?
You fall down, you know? You broke your bones.
You're filming YouTube?
Yes, of course.
Wow. Wow.
No. Why?
Hello.
So, yun lang, guys.
Yung lang.
Ano bang title natin sa YouTube natin ngayon? Love Quarrel.
Jane,
What?
teach me how to say hello in your country.
Hello? Hello.
Hello.
Marhaban.
Marhaban. How are you?
How are you?
She's not your bodyguard. She's not the princess.
Eh.
Oh my god.
Stop.
I can't even talk to you. No, Kira, come back. Can I talk to you and the one with Melissa kid? Okay, but I'm coming with you.
Nako, may love quarrel na nagaganap. Ay, nako. Ewan ko ba date to. Ang dami kong trabaho sa bahay, pero iniwanan ko. Kasi sinamahan ko sila sa labas. Saan ba tayo? Arabic pala. Oo, may Arabic nga sila. Tapos, pinakansel. Ayaw talaga nila mag-aral. Tamad.
Jane, how many followers you have?
29.
Everybody, subscribe!
Like and share.
10 minutes. Leave her alone. You can't talk to her.
With your friends.
Hi.
No.
Guys, everybody say hi to YouTube.
You want her to stop.
Okay, they
I will
don't.
cancel it. I will stop the recording. It's already finished.
Yeah, but not in your house.
Bye. Masalamat. Good night to all. Bye-bye. Say hi. Bye.
Bye-bye. Can we record actual video?